Hello, this is me, Jayco, and I'm with the Asia's Diamond Soul Siren. Grabe din talaga. Miss Nina, the ever beautiful. Timeless beauty, tignan nyo naman, no? Grabe. Yan. So, she will having a concert,
Yes.
Love Matters. Talk about it.
Love Matters. It's gonna be on February 7 at the New Frontier Theater. It's my pre-Valentine concert. Pre-Valentine kasi baka mamaya ayaw nyo nang lumabas on February 14. So, tayo nang mag-celebrate ng Valentine concert on February 7 sa New Frontier Theater entitled Love Matters.
Ayan. So, importante talaga yung love, hindi ba?
Yes, importante because hate doesn't matter. Only love matters.
Yeah, tama. Love, love, love lang, di
Diba?
ba? And I love your poster, ah. Talagang
Thank you.
very fresh, very
Iba naman yung
colorful,
itsura.
heart,
yes,
diba?
iba naman ang itsura.
Yeah. So, Miss Nina, no, we have a few games for
Yes,
you.
okay.
So, you already did 8 albums, physical albums, and halos lahat nag-platinum, and of course, yung isa doon, nag-diamond. So, malalaman natin kung ano nga ba yung best of the best for
Oh my
you.
God, ang hirap talaga
So,
niyan. Mas mahirap
let's start.
talaga sa math yan.
Heaven or Smile?
Heaven and Smile.
Gusto
Gusto
ko
ko
yan.
lahat eh. Heaven or Heaven.
Heaven or Nina Live?
Need Alive.
Nina Live or Nina?
Ang hirap. Nina.
Nina or Nina featuring the hits of Barry Manilow. I love this album.
Ayaw nga. Sige, Nina featuring the hits of Barry Manilow na lang.
Nina featuring the hits of Barry Manilow o Nina sings the hits of Diane Warren. Ganda rin ito.
Iba rin yan. Sige, Nina sings the hits of Diane Warren.
Nina sings the hits of Diane Warren or Renditions of the Soul. Nakaganon siya.
Oo nga. Sige, Renditions of the Soul.
Renditions of the Soul or Stay Alive. Ito talagang
Oo, dance, no?
Out of the
Stay
box.
Alive din.
Ganda rin ito eh.
Yes.
Pinromote mo sa party pito. Alam mo.
Correct.
Stay Alive or
Very
All
nice
Good.
naman. All Good din.
Yan. So itong All Good nito under Viva.
Viva, yeah. Viva
Ang ganda rin
Records,
ito.
yeah.
Meron siyang Tagalog version of I Still Believe.
Yes.
Ayan.
Pinilit kong limutin ka.
Diba? Ang ganda rin nun,
Yes.
guys. Ito, Miss Nina, I will show some pictures of celebrities and ano yung question mo sa kanila.
Okay.
Let's start with
Kamusta ka?
Miss Kyla.
Kamusta ka?
Yun yung tanong mo. Kasi ang dami pa rin nagka-clamor sa inyong dalawa na sana magkasama kayo sa isang bigating concert. If ever, G ka rin ba doon?
G naman, oh. G naman ako.
Kasi di ba, grabe din talaga yung boses ng dalawang ito.
Correct.
And next,
Ayaw ba makita?
ayaw ba makita? Miss Sarah G.
G ka rin ba to have a concert with me?
Oh, saya nun. G din, di ba? And Miss Regine.
Hi, Ate Rich. Thank you so much for your love and support. Love din kita. Ay, gusto ko sabihin, love mo ba ako? I-love na nga niya ako,
Love din,
diba?
ganda rin nung
Oo. Halika, concert din tayo.
Oh,
Ayan.
I love it. And SB19.
SB19, gusto niyo ba ako makakollab?
Of course. Have you
Yun ang
met them
question.
already?
No, I haven't.
Pero you listen to their song.
Yes, oo,
Grabe.
magaling din nila. They compose their own songs, diba?
Yeah, very
So,
creative.
very galing.
Ayan. And dahil dyan, pwede ba tayo mag-duet?
Yes, ano gusto mo siya?
Someday.
Okay.
Because someday, grabe din talaga to.
Sige.
May lyrics ako para hindi ako, kinakabahan
Ay,
ako
hindi
eh.
mawala.
Ay, ito pala.
Okay.
Last picture. Young Nina. Ano yung tanong mo sa
Did you have a very good life leading to where you are right now?
lalim? So, sasagot siya, yes.
Yes.
Because of you, I'm
I
here.
enjoyed it, yes. Oo.
Di ba? Yung young natin, kung yung pangarap ba natin natupad. Ano,
Yes, kung na-enjoy mo ba yung
Kumbaga,
leading to where you are.
yeah, keep it up, di ba? And of course, ito na, sing na.
Sing na tayo.
Ayan,
Sing
someday,
galing.
yung
Yes.
chorus na lang
Okay.
para.
Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday, someone's gonna take your place. One day, I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday, someday.
Grabe! Pwede na ako mamatanda joke. Grabe. Please invite everyone po and
Thank
saan
you.
nila makukuha yung tickets if they want.
Yes, again on February 7, it's my pre-Valentine concert at the New Frontier Theater entitled Love Matters, and you can get your tickets at ticketnet.com.ph.
February 7 na to, guys.
February 7,
Miss
yes.
Nina.
Thank you so
Thank you po.
much.
Picture.
About this concert, masasabi ko, it's a different concert from the other concerts na pinaka-laid back kasi ito at we celebrate, this concert we celebrate different kinds of love. At ano yung naisip nila? Kinds of love like Janice. And we have songs also for this one.
Can you share po paano nag-start yung Love Matters? So, baka nag-start yung
Well, nag-sit down lang kami, tapos parang inisip na ano bang ibang concept naman for Valentine's Day. Kasi usually as we celebrate this, yung talagang love for each other, talagang to love, diba? Ito kahit love sa love ng isa ka lang, mayroon dyan, love ng mayroon ng iba yung love mo, gano'n, yung hindi dyan. Iba-iba. Kung bago we celebrate all types of love. Minsan pag gusto mo, ng Valentine concert, it's all about love lang, hanap ko ng special someone.
Pagkakaroon po ba yung parang medyo story like first language?
I think may mga songs there, syempre,
Dito sa packet.
Doon sa table. Sa mga malapit sa phone.
Malagay sa lang.
Naka-voice right.
Tell us a little bit about what kind of music will this be? Will this be more?
since yung for band din na that people could relate to all the songs. And also, hindi din mawawala yung mga songs na minahal nila. Yung mga songs ko na minahal nila. Audience.
Miss Nina, can you take us back nung time na nag-start here? Sino po ba yung mga influencer mo? Isang singer?
Mariah, syempre. Mariah. Tapos, Whitney Houston, yan, si Alicia Keys, mga nasa-start ko siya. And a lot more actually. Nung bata pa ako talaga, when my dad was teaching me how to sing, and sila mga Matt Monroe, Julio Iglesias, sila Frank Sinatra. Kasi nung bata ako, kinakanta ko talaga mga kanila. Kasi bilang daddy ko ang nagtulong sa akin, ang mga kinikit niya sa akin is mga panlalaki kanta. So, nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong freedom to choose the songs that I would like to sing. Doon na nalilin sila. Whitney.
And then yung journey nyo naman po, how you become a professional singer?
Kumakanta lang ako sa harap ng mga tita-tita, ganyan. Tapos binabayaran na nila, binibigyan nila ako ng mga, mga tawag, anong tawag na?
Reward.
Ganon, para kumanta. Parang yung tawag. Sabi ko, kakanta lang ako, bayaran ako. So, doon nag-start yung parang gusto ko na rin palang kumanta. Bigyan ako ng regalo, ganyan. Tapos eventually, sa mga schools, yan, kakanta ako. Diba, yun naman talaga lagi. Schools, tapos sa singing contest, ganyan. Tapos after that, parang may kumuha sa akin na birthday with the time. High school pa siguro ako ng banda.
Do you remember your first gig?
It was at Strums, Makati. Strums in Makati pa yun, naalala ko. Tapos, yun, na-enjoy ko na yung being able to sing live for everybody. Kasi yung feeling ng banda, live instruments, and all. So, yun na.